Okay, so I am going to show you guys how to copy your layers from different levels that you've made in your adjustment setting on Photoshop onto a new image, so that way there is consistency and um, just a similarness between the image that you have and the future images that you want. So from this edit of Ida B. Wells, we have these two different layers that I want to copy. And so what you do is you just double click onto both of these layers that you have. And then you will right click, duplicate layers. And what this is a box that's going to send these layers to your next image. And so I don't have any edits yet. Let me just show you really quick. I don't have any edits for Mary yet. So we're going to be adding those layers to Mary's image. So going back to Ida B. Wells' image, we go back to this, duplicate layers, and where we go is we go to the document location. And so we go down to where Mary's is, and okay, and we go here, and there it is. These layers have been added and automatically applied to this image, which makes it really easy and consistent for your images to all look similar. It's what I've done with all of these on here, and it's just a really helpful tool to, again, have that consistency in your images and makes your life just a lot easier. So that's a really cool tool that I learned just barely and that I would share with you guys. So again, you just go to your adjustments, and you can do any of these adjustments that you want on Photoshop, and then you just make sure you click them all, right click, duplicate, and you're going to want to have your different location, your different file saved so you know where to send it. But like I said, just click on the one that you want, and you'll hit OK, and it'll automatically do it for you. So that is it for that little lesson on how to do that.